Hello, I'm Chris Essex, WTHI-TV's Digital Content Manager. You are on WTHI-TV.com, and this is a look back at some of our top stories of the week. I'm calling it The Wrap. This week, we're going to talk about our 9/11 Look Back series. We have a story of a guy who's fighting for his own life, but he's still working to help others. Plus, we're going to talk about the impact COVID-19 is having on the local hospital system. First up, it's the day that changed the world, September 11th, 2001. If you were old enough, you remember right where you were the day of the attack in New York, Washington, and Shanksville, Pennsylvania. On our website, we have a series of stories about how several people locally stepped up to help America during its time of need. And this includes a presidential escort. Over on our homepage, you'll find a link, and in that link has all the stories that we've worked on from the week. Plus, you'll also find news clips from the day from 9/11 from the national news coverage. Now, our second story of the week had a lot of you talking, and it's the impact COVID-19 is having on the local hospital system. Union Hospital's service area is predicted to be one of the hardest hit in Indiana. That's because of the low vaccination rate in the community and the lack of people following COVID-19 regulations. Chief Medical Officer Dr. John Bollinger says 1 in 10 patients admitted into the hospital with COVID-19 won't survive. He says if we continue down this path, the number of patients will exceed the number of available beds by mid-October.
That this is a very serious to critical situation we're experiencing right now. I don't want to panic the public. I think we're in control of this, but I do want the public to be vigilant in helping us protect the population from more infections.
Last up, we're going to talk about a former firefighter and nurse. In 2017, Matt Bowman learned he had cancer, and earlier this year, he learned it came back. Now he's doing everything he can to help others. 2 nodules had been found, 1 on each of Bowman's lungs. The fight began again to save his life, and right now he's in the ICU at Good Samaritan Hospital in Vincennes.
A lot of people out there that are really sick, that need to be, they don't want to be a bother. You're not a bother. If you need to be seen, speak up. Take care of yourself and take care of, because the truth is, you are the ultimate goal.
He's fighting to raise awareness for the fact that men can develop breast cancer, working to make sure people take their health seriously and get help if they need it right away. That's been a look back at some of our top stories for the week. I'm Chris Essex. You can follow me on Twitter at Chris_WTHI. Until next week, keep it on WTHI-TV.com for the latest news, sports, weather, and anything else you need.